Hey y'all, hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. Okay, so first let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers. Welcome to the new ones. New ones, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with what? A new video. With that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump into this video. So the other day, you know what I'm saying, I was sitting in here and I was like kind of bored. So I'm like, let me go ahead and get on YouTube and, you know, look, see what's going on. So I came across Sky's life, which I have heard of before, but never decided to really click on her and watch her videos because her face is just always so like a stone or something. Like, she ain't never happy. You get what I'm saying? So I went ahead on and did it. And this particular video, well, I actually had watched another video, which was a cleanup video that she did. And then I actually watched, she was giving some advice on getting started with a work from home business, okay? So I already was blown because when she began to talk about it, her shit back there, like her background and everything, was already dirty, shit all over the bed. You get what I'm saying? So that already blew me. You get what I'm saying? So she began to say, well, you know, you can do like an eyelash business. She said that she wanted to get into doing a lip gloss business. Okay. Then she went from that. She said that she wanted to do a bag business, like a baby bag business, because a lot of people do that and they would get baby bags. I was already blown from that because I'm like, nobody's going to buy anything from you, especially if they look at your background back here, okay? If you did have a baby bag that you were selling, I wouldn't buy it from you under no means, okay? I probably would get the baby bag. I would get cockroaches with it. I would get bed bugs with it. I would get mosquitoes with it. And any other type of insect probably would be shipped to me. Okay. Now, I know y'all probably like, why, you know what I'm saying, is Reese real upset about this, okay? Yeah, and so Reese gonna tell you why. There is no way in the world I would buy any type. Let me come a little closer to you. I would buy any type of lip gloss from you. I don't know if people have actually seen the way you keep your house, but it is absolutely disgusting. Okay? Now, what do I mean by that? So like I told y'all, before I watched this video, I watched another one. The other one was a clean with me video. She has got Jazzy beat from areas 1 to 10. You get what I'm saying? She makes Jazzy look like an angel almost. Okay? So I'm looking at the video and I'm like, she can't be serious. Her kitchen was a complete disgusting mess. Okay? I mean, you making your floor be your garbage can. The kitchen looked like a landfill. It looked like a garbage dumpster. It looked, I mean, looking at that kitchen, you wonder, well, damn, does she wash her ass? Does she wash her hands? It was just crazy. And you have a newborn baby where you are coming in the kitchen to fix their bottles and fix your kids' dinner, and your kitchen looked that disgusting. I was appalled. She had trash, bottles, I mean, everything on her floor. Like, it was just disgusting. The stove was disgusting. The sink, I mean, it was wrong on so many levels. So many levels. I did not know what to do. I mean, I'm like, who would keep their kitchen this dirty? Like one of my subscribers say, looking like the Tasmanian devil has come in to the kitchen. Okay? You need to quarantine your own fucking kitchen. Forget not going outside and be quarantined. You need to quarantine your kitchen. Okay? It is a complete, total disgust. I would be embarrassed for my children to even see the kitchen like that. I would be embarrassed to even put that on YouTube to see my kitchen like that. I would be embarrassed. Now, this is where it comes in at. Your house looks like a complete Section 8 wreck, okay? If you guys say, how do you know that? Go ahead, put Section 8 homes into your YouTube, and it will bring Section 8 homes up of different tenants that used to live in them. It will show you the type of environment that they left the actual house in before they even exited to get on another person's property. Okay? That you will see that. And you can compare that to her kitchen, and I'm damn sure you will come back and be like, Reese, you are absolutely right. Okay. See, I tend not to watch her, but this time I was born because I know a way back I tried to watch her, and I think it was a baby shower maybe, and in the baby shower she was just completely pissed, like to say, I don't want to fucking do this baby shower. And I'm like, oh, like what is wrong? What is wrong? Do you look like that on a normal basis? Are you that pissed? And then I said, yeah. I looked at another video where as though she was doing a baby mama dance. Girl, take that video down. Take it down immediately. I mean, if you would have seen her face, you would have seen the way she was moving. You could have seen the way she was acting. It was like, are you ever happy about anything? Do you smile? Like, what is going on with you? But better yet, you want somebody to buy some lip gloss from you, and you got that dirty ass, filthy ass kitchen and room, and you want somebody to buy lip gloss from you. I would not do that. Your lip gloss probably got the corona in it. It ain't no way in the world I would buy lip gloss from you. I wouldn't take nothing from you. You know how like your neighbors live next door to you, and they be like, oh, you can have these coupons or whatever. I would have been like, oh no, I don't need no coupons. I'm good. I got a whole rack of them, and wouldn't have not one. If I was your neighbor, I probably wouldn't even speak to you because you're so dirty. If I actually smoke weed, I probably wouldn't even pass the blunt to you because you're so dirty. Like, I mean, I really couldn't believe it. I'm like, see, this is why people stereotype black, young, single moms. This is why. Completely why. But I'ma say, y'all, when y'all get off this video with me, please go over to her channel. Please take a look at the Clean Up With Me kitchen. Don't forget when you go over there, your quarantine mask, your plastic gloves, you're gonna need all of that. You're gonna need all of that. And Reese, I ain't gonna lie to you, you're gonna need all of that. Okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here so y'all can go ahead and prepare to get suited up, gloves, mask, and even if you got like one of those plastic things that Jazzy be wearing, you know what I'm saying, when she be doing her exercises, go put one of those on, because I wouldn't want y'all, you know what I'm saying, getting a corona or anything. So with that being said, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. And if you are new, hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So until the next video, guys, see you later.